Welcome to English Center Kids English class. How are you children? Today we're going to do level 1 lesson number 23. Y letter. Lesson 23. Y letter. What is this letter children? Y. What is it? Y. What's the sound of Y letter? Y. Y. අපි Y letter එකේ sound එක ය කියනවා, E කියනවා, Y කියලාත් කියනවා නේද? E කියලා තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට අපි කියන්නේ. boy නම් B O E boy. එතකොට Y එක අපි pronounce කරනවා E sound එක විදිහට. නැත්නම් sound එක ය. What's the sound of Y letter? ය. Okay. Let's see. There are many pictures begins with Y letter. What is this? It's an egg. Yes, it's an egg. But what are these yellow colored things? We call it yolk. What is it? Yolk. What is this? Yolk. Yellow color part, we call it yolk. Okay. What is this animal? Yak. What is it? Yak. Like a cow. This one, it's a yo-yo. What is it? Yo-yo. Again, yo-yo. You can play with yo-yo. What's this children? It's yarn. What is it? Yarn. What is it? Yarn. Wool ball it up again. Yarn. Yarn. Yes, this one. Yacht. Rual never. Yacht. What is it? Yacht. Can you see? There's a house. Outside there's a big garden. We can park the vehicles. We call it yard. What is it? Yard. Again tell me. Yard. Now we're gonna match it. Read the first word. Y-O-L-K. York. We don't pronounce L letter. We have to say York. Y-O-K. York. Now see children, I'm going to match it. York. Can you see what is York? Yellow color part of the egg. Next one. Yo-yo. What is it? Yo-yo. Let's see how to match it. Okay, did you see I match yo-yo? Next one. Y-A-Ch-T. Yacht. No, it's wrong. A letter sound is O. Then yacht. We don't pronounce T letter. Yacht. What is yacht? Yes, it's a kind of boat. Rual never. Yacht. I match the yacht. Can you see next one? Y-A-D. Yard. This is the yard. Let's match the yard children now. Yard. I match the yard. Yard. Good. Next one. Y-A-K. Yak. What is the yak? It's a kind of cow. Let's match the yak. Here's the yak. Good. Next one. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. What is yarn? Here, yes, we take to knit caps and socks, jerseys, yarn. Okay, I think you understood this part, children. Let's go to the next one. See here, children. Write the missing vowel. Vowel letters. What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. I think you know already that one. Let's tell again the vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. Again tell me. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Okay, now see. What is this? It's a bird. Which vowel is missing here? B, E, R, D. Bird. I letter. Bird. What is it? Car. What's the missing vowel letter? A, K, R, R. Car. This one? Net. Yes. How to write net? N, A, T. Net. N-A-T. Net. This one, is it net? No, it's a nut. N-A-T. Nut. Good. What is this? It's a frog. O sound. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Here this is ball. The sound is O. So do we write O letter? No, it's wrong. We have to write A. A letter has many sounds. One is A, O. Now do you know children? Then in the ball we have to write A letter. It sounds as O. Ball. Next one, can you see we put it in our hand when mother cooks, when she wants to take something from the oven, they use it. In the cricket matches, have you seen the wicket keeper? He's wearing this one. We call it mitt. What is it? Mitt. Mitten. It is the mitt. Okay, can you see this animal? It is a bug. Bug. It is a bug. Okay, what is this number, children? It is 10. T-A-N, 10. It is number 10. T-A-N, 10. Very good. Here there's a speech about Vesak festival. See, children, Vesak festival, Vesak Utsavaya. Vesak is celebrated by Buddhist. Vesak is celebrated by Buddhist. Vesak Utsavaya සමරනවා, celebrated සමරනවා බෞද්ධයන් විසින්. We make Vesak lanterns and pandals. අපි හදනවා Vesak lanterns, Vesak kudu and pandals. Pandals තොරන්. අපි හදනවා Vesak kudu සහ තොරන්. Practice the speech, children. Okay, children, see here now. We have done vowel letters. What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. These are the other letters. Now in the alphabet, there are more letters. When we take out the vowels, other letters we call consonant. What is it? Consonant. See this? Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. After a letter, what is there? B, C, D. E is a vowel letter. E after F, G, H. I is a vowel letter. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Again, O is a vowel letter. P, Q, R, S, T. U is a vowel letter. V, W, X, Y, Z. Now see, children, these are the vowels, these are the consonants. Tell louder. Consonants. Again, consonants. Vowels, consonants. Now, here you are given some words. You should find the vowels in these words. Okay, see the first word. Umbrella. What are the vowels you can see? U is there. Next, M. Is it a vowel? No. B? No. R? No. E? Yes. E is one vowel letter. L is not a vowel. Then A is a vowel. Okay. In this word there are three vowels. U, E, A. Okay. Next see. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Let's find the vowels. C is not a vowel. A is a vowel. U is a vowel. Then I is a vowel. F, no. L, no. O is a vowel. W, no. E, yes, it's a vowel. R, it's not a vowel. Next one, zebra. Letter by letter you see and write the vowels. Is it? No, it's not a vowel letter. Then E letter. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. E is a vowel letter. B is not a vowel letter. Then R, no. A, yes, zebra has two vowel letters. Violin. V is not a vowel letter. Then I, yes, it's a vowel letter. O, yes, it's a vowel. L, no, it's not vowel. I, yes, I is a vowel letter. Next one, hibiscus, a kind of flower, hibiscus. Now let's find the vowels of hibiscus. H, no. I, yes. B, no. I letter, yes. S, no. C, no. U, no. S, yes. Then hibiscus has only two vowel letters. Next one, mountain. How many vowels are there? Let's find. M, no. O, yes. U, yes. N, no. T, No. A, ears. I, ears, vowel letter. N, no. S, no. S is not a vowel. Then leopard. L, not a vowel. E, yes, it's a vowel. O, yes, it's a vowel. P, no, not a vowel. A, yes, it's a vowel. I, yes, it's a vowel. Not a, is there? R, not a vowel. D, not a vowel. Then leopard has only 3 vowel letters. Next one, crocodile. C, not a vowel. R, no. O, yes, O is a vowel. C, not a vowel. O, yes, it's a vowel. D, not a vowel. I, yes, it's a vowel letter. L is not a vowel letter. E, yes, A, E, I, O, U. E is a vowel letter. Okay, next children, aeroplane. A is a vowel letter. Yes, it's a vowel letter. E, yes, it's a vowel. R, no. O, yes, A, E, I, O, U. Then no is a vowel letter. P, no, L, no. A, A is a vowel letter. N, no. E, yes, it's a vowel letter. Then there are 5 vowel letters in aeroplane. Last one, brother. What is it? Brother. B, not a vowel. R, it's not a vowel. O, yes, it's a vowel letter. T, no. H, no. E, yes, E is a vowel letter. R is not a vowel. Okay, children, I think you enjoyed this. You better do it yourself. Don't copy from this. Take your lesson and do it yourself. Write many words and find how many vowels are there. What are the vowel letters? Okay, children, now let's move to this one. Can you see? There are 3 pictures. What are these? We're gonna learn. Can you see, children? What is the first one? It is a boat. How to write boat? How to write boat, children? Do you know? Can you say how to write boat? B-O-A-T. Boat. What is it? Boat. What is the next one? Can you see? There are 2 O's either side. We can row it. It is a row. It is a row. We call it row. What is it? Row. How to write row? R-O-W. Row. Clear? Next one. Here, you know, in Sinhala we call paruwa. For paruwa we call it float. What is it, children? I can't hear. Tell louder. It is float. Tell me again. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Boat. Boat is a small kind of ship. Never wage body. Boat. Row. හබල් දෙකෙන් අපි හබල් ගාලා යන එක අපි කියනවා row එක. Row. Float, පාරුව. Float. Okay? Let's come to the last part of our lesson, children. It's reading part. It's a reading part. Let's start to read. Yuki loves Y-A-L-O, yellow. Yuki loves yellow. Yellow color. Yuki was Y-O-U, young. What is it? Young. Next one, girl. Yuki was young girl. Yuki loved Y-L-O-U, yellow. T-H, T-E-N-G-S, things. Yuki loved yellow things. She loved a yard with with Y-A-L-O-U, yellow. Flowers, flowers. Yellow flowers. She loved a yard with yellow flowers. Next one, she loved a yellow kitty. Kitty, cat. Cat. She loved a yellow dragon. Fly, dragon fly. She loved a yellow sky at sunset. She loved yellow yams and yarn. The boy next door had yellow hair. But she didn't love him. Didn't love him. Well, not yet. Any way. Anyway. Okay, children, we did the lesson today. Thank you for listening to me. Let's meet in the next video. Bye, children. Then see you next day.